something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eye so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another decorate with me. This time I'm going to show you some decorating ideas in one of my favourite colours, baby blue. I hope you enjoy. Now my first project guys starts with this mixer. Now if you've been following me since day one when I moved into Chelle's Glam Home, I had a house full of turquoise. I absolutely love this colour. But I've had this mixer for quite a few years and I decided today that I wanted to paint it in this beautiful baby blue by Dulux. Now the colour is called Post Boy and I just recently discovered that Dulux have this. It's one of my favourite blues at the moment. Now while that was drying, I'm also going to go in and use the blue on this beautiful wreath. I got this wreath probably about 2 years ago at TK Maxx and I've painted it many colours, but today it's also going to be blue. Now guys, because I change up my home so many times, because I want to show you different ideas when it comes to styling, I love to shop my own home. So this vase will also be painted blue.
My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, round.
Now I'm a big fan of repurposing, and as much as I loved this blush pink ginger jar, I also wanted to paint this blue.
I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
Wish I could say I was finally over you.
Now I just wanted to add something simple guys. Would you believe this bow is actually a bow just from when I bought a throw blanket where they tied in a bow at the front, and I knew I could repurpose it and use it in my decor. Now I wanted to make a pretty flower bouquet in that vase. So what I did is I used the grid-like method with some sticky tape, and I just shopped my own home, and I absolutely love these baby blue paper flowers guys. They are so stunning, and I pulled all the flowers together and created a huge fullness.
Option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace.
Now placing this rattan tray in the centre of my ottoman, I'm going to place the beautiful bouquet in the centre. Now guys, I recently picked up this beautiful mixing bowl set from TK Maxx. I absolutely love how it was blush pink on the inside and it had that honeycomb feel on the outside. It also came with this Queen Bee baking set. Now I knew this would make the perfect addition to my mixer makeover, and I placed it inside and then decorated it with the spoons.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Uh-oh. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know.
So guys, I recently picked up these beautiful French provincial vases from eBay, and I'm just going to add some more of those baby blue paper flowers inside. Now just to do something different, I was going to add these to my candlesticks, which I did, but then I actually decided once I finished filming there that I would place them on my shelves as well. Now guys, I also wanted to share with you these mats that I recently picked up from Amazon. They came in a pack of 2, so you get the kitchen mat as well as the home sweet home. And I just adored these guys, and I was praying that when they turned up they were the exact blue that I was after, and they were. I was so excited. And I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. So now I'm at my front door and I decided to change out my mats. I got this leopard one from TK Maxx last year, and I love layering, guys, and I thought this little home sweet home truck looked perfect with the leopard print. Changed out my little bunnies after Easter, and I replaced them with some of these fake hydrangeas. Now I also added some hydrangeas to my existing wreath on my door, and I absolutely loved, guys, this baby blue. It's like a French provincial mailbox that I've got hanging on the right. I got it from AliExpress last year, and it's honestly one of my favourite pieces of decor. I'm not gonna lose myself this time. So guys, now I'm going to show you a really inexpensive way to get some chinoiserie wall art. Now guys, you know I'm a huge fan of peel and stick wallpaper. Here I am in Kmart, and I wanted to point out some wall art that Kmart has at a really inexpensive price that you can use as a frame for your chinoiserie art. Now, Kmart has a number of sizes of these, guys, and I'm pointing out here that you want to go for the art that has that little edge all the way around it. So you can see here that I've took my existing wall art and I've just placed the peel and stick wallpaper straight over the top. That's what I loved about the Kmart frames. They're really inexpensive, and I loved that if I want to change this out, the peel and stick wallpaper just comes straight back off and I can change it for something else. So if you want to save a lot of money when it comes to that chinoiserie wall art, they can charge you up to $500, guys. It is well worth investing into some peel and stick wallpaper or contact paper, and you will instantly get that look for a fraction of the price.
I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me.
So guys, are you loving a baby blue at the moment as well? I love decorating with blue. It has such a calming effect on the mind and the soul when it comes to being in my home.
Been here before, you close the door. Now I don't know.
Guys, my favourite thing to do right now is decorating with florals. I love grouping together beautiful floral arrangements, and I love playing around with different designs.
Reason why I try, 'cause it's the look in your eyes filled with doubts, and I'm scared. I am trying my very best to make it okay, but do you even care anymore? Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you.
Now, over the next couple of weeks, guys, I want to introduce a Decorate With Me series. So last week I did florals, and this week I'm decorating with blue. I'd love to hear your feedback. I want you to let me know what you'd like to see me decorate with next.
That you are the reason why I try.
So leave me a comment down below if there's a specific style or colour that you'd like to see me decorate with.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who created Chelle's Glam Home. I love DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and sharing home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating in blue. Now don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.